Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to give your Wix website a boost by updating your page URLs, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change a page URL on Wix quickly, safely, and with a few extra tips to make sure your site keeps running smoothly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to customize your page addresses, which is super helpful for search engine optimization, user experience, and just keeping things tidy for yourself and your visitors. Let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open your site's editor. If you're logged into Wix, you'll usually see a dashboard with all your projects. Just click Edit Site on the website you want to work on. The editor can take a moment to load, especially if your site has lots of elements, so patience is key here. Now, once your site editor is open, you're going to look for the Pages icon. It's typically on the left-hand side. It looks like a little sheet of paper or a stack of pages. This is where Wix organizes all the pages on your site, so clicking here gives you a neat overview. If you have lots of pages, you might want to scroll or use the search function to find the specific one you have in mind. Maybe it's your About page or a portfolio or a contact page. Next, you'll select the page you want to update. Just click on it once in the list. Don't worry, you're not making any changes yet. You're just telling Wix, hey, this is the page I want to work on. After you've selected your page, look for the More Actions icon. It's those three little dots you've probably seen around the site editor. Clicking this brings up a little menu with several options. From there, choose SEO Basics. This might sound a bit technical, but it's actually quite straightforward, and it's where you can adjust things that affect how your page appears in search results, which is super important if you want more people to find your site. Give this panel a second to open. Now you'll see a field called URL Slug. The URL slug is just the part of the web address that comes after your main site name. For instance, if your homepage is mywebsite.com and your about page is at mywebsite.com/about, then about is the slug. Here's your chance to change that slug to anything you like, whether it's more descriptive, cleaner, or just easier for people to remember. Maybe you want to switch About Us to something more personal like Meet the Team. Just type your new slug in the box. Take a moment with this step because what you enter here will affect how users reach your page and also how search engines see it. Short, clear slugs are usually best. Avoid spaces or weird symbols. And if your site has been published before, remember that changing a URL might mean old links stop working, so you may want to set up a redirect if needed, but that's a topic for another day. While you're here in the page info section, you might also notice the option to change the title of the page. This is another little detail that's worth paying attention to. The page title and the URL slug are often interconnected. What you call your page in the title often shows up as inspiration for the slug. A clear and descriptive title helps both your visitors and search engines understand what that page is about. For example, if you update the slug for your portfolio to Work Showcase, you might want to adjust the page title to match Work Showcase. It keeps everything consistent and makes your website feel more professional. And honestly, that's pretty much it. You've now customized your page URL. Just hit publish when you're done and your changes will go live. Remember, don't worry if it takes a minute to find the right page or come up with the perfect slug. It's totally normal to tweak things until they feel just right. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you have questions or need help with your URLs, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical website tutorials like this. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next one.